Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA 2 litre CDTI SE 2-door fitted with a manual transmission. Finished in carbon flash, the car was first registered in March of 2014 and as you can see is on a 14 plate. The car has a warranted mileage of only 19,000 miles. The CASCADA has a CO2 figure of 138, which equates to a road fund licence fee of only £130 annually. This vehicle has been our demonstrator from brand new. Looking at the front of the car, you can see it comes with body coloured bumpers. It features multi-spoke 18-inch alloy wheels. It has body coloured door mirror covers and door handles. The CASCADA is a full soft-top convertible with electric roof. At the rear of the car there is a high intensity rear brake light and chrome tailpipe. In the rear of the car there are two seats, both with 3-point harness seat belts, and it also features the child-friendly ISOFIX seating system. As you can see, the car comes with grey cloth interior. There is a centre armrest. The car has both passenger and driver's airbags and features plenty of storage. There is a CD radio with controls for the air conditioning and climate control below. It has a 3-spoke leather trim steering wheel with controls for both the radio and cruise control. The car does come with automatic headlights. All 4 windows are electric, and it does have electric door mirror adjustment. This is a Network Q vehicle and benefits from a minimum 12-month warranty for greater peace of mind. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no-quibble deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can be any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.